What's it like in New Orleans now? Is everything open, including the bars, Bourbon Street, and live music? In this video, I'll take you through Bourbon Street in the French Quarter and show you what it's like right now. Restaurants are all open and in high demand. Around dinner time, I noticed these lines forming outside of many of the restaurants here in Bourbon Street in the French Quarter. What about live music? Live music is back on Bourbon Street, and this is what it looks like on a Thursday night. What's new is take notice that the musicians are behind a plexiglass.
Yes, even in mine, we're gonna do it all of the time. And you know why I say it's for the love of drinking today. All right.
The bars are all open too, including one of my favorites. This is O'Brien's. Although I did notice that their piano lounge does not seem to be open right now. And the Carousel Bar is also open. One of the things I mentioned in my video of things to do in New Orleans, that this is definitely a must-see when you are in the French Quarter. For tips on visiting New Orleans, you'll definitely want to check out next my video on things to do and experience in New Orleans.